So when you were little, when you saw these, you started crying.
Awesome. Oh my God. It's like just want to put out a
It's just fireworks. Daddy, there's like little ones and there's big ones. I don't get it.
That's so cool.
awesome.
People that live here.
Is that a rocket?
She's really scared.
It's all right.
Don't try and scare
Oh
too
man.
much.
That was amazing. Oh my God.
I was thinking of you.
I'm actually really.
Hey, Dad, fireworks.
Maybe dogs hear it louder than we do.
They just don't know what they are.
Scary. Oh.
Is that one loud?
Yes. I can just watch it on that TV.
Fletcher, look.
Dad, you should enjoy watching it.
It's okay. You're just a dog, okay?
I'll
just
hold
let
her,
you.
I'll hold her.
You got her? Okay, I got her around my wrist.
She's just scared. He's shivering. He's really scared.
Wow, these are
He's
awesome.
like,
Wait to see more launching up. Boom. Boom.
I'll hold her ears. Watch her, she can't see. She's shivering.
Boom.
Wow.
Boom. Boom.
Look at us. She's backing away. Let me go. Here.
Boom. Boom. Oh my ears.
Oh,
Yeah, be
no,
careful
she's
because
running away.
she's so scared that she might pull off her leash, and we would.
Boom.
Oh, I have an idea. I'll go get her and then I'll under. That's scared. She's shivering. Oh, poor little doggy. Come on, give me your leash so I can get her.
Are you sure?
Awesome.
Yeah.
You sure?
I'm
Keep
gonna
it on
hold
your-
her.
Keep it on your wrist, baby. No, I'm
me
not
get
going to
it.
give it to you until you get it on your wrist. Keep an eye on her because
Whoa.
she might be so scared she might try to pull off of her.
Oh, it's so cool. Oh, something big.
Dad, these fireworks are safe, right?
Yeah, they're over a lake.
Wow. Maybe we should let Portrait home. No, it's fine.
I love the explosion.
Yeah. Because I'm really scared about Portrait. She keeps trying to run away.
I'm gonna go booming. Oh, this one's gonna be huge. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Can you watch it, Dad?
Yeah,
Because you just can keep the camera picking
right. I'm just.
Wow!
Oh,
Oh gosh.
oh.
This
Isn't that
is too
beautiful?
close.
When it
That's
gets
so
close to 10
cool.
minutes, turn it off and then put on another. Just push it again.
What does it damage the
No,
camera?
if it's 10 minutes, the YouTube videos can only be 10 minutes.
Well, actually, it's gonna change it and it's gonna do. Actually, Mom, I heard they're gonna change that and they're gonna be long.
Okay, give her back to me, Rebecca. That's enough.